I've been in your waters. I'm looking for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
What's up, buddy?
How you doing?
You look tired, man. Were you brewing today?
Yes, I was. I was brewing really late last night. So you guys are getting the 2013 Duke, which I believe is the first year that we ever made the beer. This beer is outstanding. It's our head brewer's favorite beer of all time. So we will take our grain, which for this beer is a whole lot of two-row and a little bit of crystal malt. And then we mix that with hot water and we create a sugary liquid called wort. And we'll transfer it to our boil kettle to where we add hops, which are going to provide just a little bit of bitterness for the beer. Then after that, we will put it through a heat exchanger, get it cold, put it into a fermenter, and add the fourth ingredient in beer, which is yeast, and that is what legally makes it beer.
Nice. Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, guys, that was our tour of Peticolas Brewing Company. You guys come in Opa Creek Taverna May 19th for our big fat Greek 5-year anniversary. In addition to the 2013 Duke, we're also gonna have some amazing chef specials. So come on out, bring the family, and have a big fat Greek awesome time at Opa Greek Tavern. So the thing I love about Peticolas Brewing Company, and all the awesome beers that they produce is the pride and the craftsmanship that they take in their beer. That's why we're super proud to have them on tap all the time. If you guys like what's going on our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below. I want to let you know all about what's going on at our restaurant, what's on tap at our restaurant. Also, if you haven't yet, get our app. Just type in app.oparolette in your browser.